Dum, 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 dum. Getting out, getting out. Dum, 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 dum. Getting out, getting out, getting out, getting out, getting out. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? I'm back again, and this time, I don't know if I'm ready, but hey, now or never, I am doing the 50 Chicken McNugget McDonald's challenge, fam. That's what I'm doing. All right? They gave me a bunch of 10-piece boxes. I don't know if they'd run out of I don't know what maybe they thought I was bringing it for several people, but no, just for little old me. That's what they don't know. That's what they didn't realize. So let's get into it. My favorite sauce is sweet and sour. When I say I was craving these nuggets, I was really, really craving these nuggets. And I just want to say that my mind was low-key telling me no, but my body's telling me yes. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to eat these nuggets on this Good Monday. Okay? Lord Jesus, please bless this food for what we are about to receive. Make us truly thankful. Amen. Amen. Okay? We're going to get right into it. I'm not playing any games. Do I have anything to drink? No, because I don't want to get full. I don't want to get full. I'm really trying to eat 50 pieces right now. Let go. Now, what do y'all feel about Azalea Banks? Because that's what we're going to talk about today for a little bit. How do y'all feel about Azalea Banks? I, for one, feel that she's a talented artist. She's a talented rapper. Can't take that away from her at all. However, sis is always in the middle of some drama, yo. She's always in the middle of some drama. And it's like, because of that, when she makes valid points, when she makes those key points, nobody's trying to hear her out because she done started something with everybody, and now she's out here sounding like the bitter black woman. And I'm like, man, you can tell that she's an intelligent girl. I just really think, like, honestly speaking, I think she needs help. I do. What really made me realize that she needs help was when she was on Instagram showing that she was killing chickens in her closet or something, and keeping the carcasses in her closet. I shouldn't do that, Lord forgive me. But there's something wrong there, you know? And you can tell she's been through a lot in her life. And people deal with that in different ways. But I low-key feel sorry for her. I know what some of y'all are thinking, like, what? After she said this, that, and the third? Yeah, I do. Because people act out and are attention-seeking when something is wrong. I don't think she's truly happy with her life. This gal... This gal talk about white people and gays. However, she's in the entertainment industry, and quite honestly, who runs a lot of what goes on in the entertainment industry white people and gays. Like, sis, how far are you trying to go? Now, clearly she has a platform. Clearly she has a following. Clearly she has records. I just think she shoots herself in the foot so much, you know? It's utterly ridiculous. At any rate, the reason that I bring her up is she was coming for Cupcake, the rapper. I didn't know about this young lady. I'm unfamiliar with her music. I don't know if you all listen to Cupcake or Azalea. Cupcake with 2 Ks. The cake has 2 Ks. And she's heavier set, confident, living her best life. Has about the same following that Azalea Banks does. I think a little under. But she's a younger girl and people love her. She has her fan base, okay? Thinks she raps sexually explicit lyrics. That's her thing. That's what she does. Woo, woo, woo. She's not worried about Azalea. She don't come for Azalea. She's minding her BI. Okay? Apparently Azalea Banks sent a gal a DM about how she needs to get a boob job. Because she would get much further in life. And her records would really sell. She then said the white girls are out here winning, but they don't want us to know. I don't know what that means, child. I don't know. I'm just repeating what she said. Okay? Don't shoot the messenger. And, of course, people came for Azalea. Azalea, this is what I don't understand about Azalea Banks. Well, there are several things. She come for white people, but she's bleaching her skin. Sis. What is this gray area? What is this gray area? Do you want to be black or white? Because I don't know, when people bleach their skin, it's a big thing in Jamaica and other islands, period. And not only in the U.S. is colorism an issue. Yes, we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about it. Not only in the U.S. is colorism an issue, but other countries as well. From what I understand, you have Asian people bleaching, you have Indian people bleaching, like it's crazy, right? But Azalea Banks, who come for white people, is bleaching her skin. And my thoughts on the whole bleaching skin thing, y'all already know. Well, for those of you who don't, because you might not remember, or you might not have even seen my other video. This is a while back I posted. I don't even remember which video it was. Shame. But I talked a little bit about how I think dark skin is beautiful. I really do. I think black is beautiful. I think beauty comes in all shades and colors. But for me personally, there's something about some dark skin, fam. There's just something about some dark skin. I love Kofi Cerebo. I hope I'm pronouncing his name correctly. I love his complexion and his teeth. Okay, let me stay on the subject. Anyway, that man is fine. Fine. But that skin though. At any rate, Azalea come for the white people and then start bleaching her skin. Azalea come for Cardi B and how she winning, mainly because she's light skinned. And how, if she were darker, she wouldn't be winning so. Okay? But it's like, sis, when you out here bleaching your skin, killing chickens in the closet, and doing all this craziness, starting all this beef with these people, Nicki Minaj, all these other people, Ti's wife, whomever. Nobody's gonna listen to what you're saying, even though, yes, colorism is a big issue. And it does happen everywhere, you know? Nobody's gonna listen to your points. So yeah, she's out here bleaching her skin. And I never really understood the bleaching skin thing either, because people end up looking gray. You know what I mean? I don't know. I've seen plenty of people bleach. And when I say lips look dark, skin look gray, and it just look like you need some glow up. There's no glow up to the people that I've seen bleach. I don't know what y'all have seen. Correct me if I'm wrong. You know what I mean? And I'm not trying to offend anybody. I'm not talking about if you get a blemish. I'm not talking about if you get a blemish and you put some bleaching cream on it. I'm not talking about if you're trying to bleach your underarms or your bikini area. Because I have myself in the past have put bleach on those areas. TMI. But I'm being real with y'all right now. But we're talking about bleaching your skin. Your whole, and then your face be like a whole gray shade, lighter than your neck down, and you just look like death. For a lot of the people that I've seen bleach, okay? It's not cute. It's not cute. So this gal go and bleach, and then she tell this gal Cupcake that she must get a boob job. Azalea has recently gotten one. My thoughts. If you want to do that, that's your body, that's your life. Do what makes you happy. When you see this gal over here living her best life, comfortable in her own skin, why are you coming for her titties? Why are you coming for her titties? She love her titties. According to her lyrics, men love her titties. The fans love her titties. Azalea, why are you coming for her titties? Why? Mind your own titties. Mind your own titties. Have your boob job and be happy with that. But why are you telling that gal that she must go get titties? Why? I don't know. She says that the gal had asked her and she was only helping her. But it's not how it looked with the DMs. It looked like she just appeared and said to the gal, hey, get your titties done. Which is out of line. Don't project your insecurities onto other people. You know? So I thought that was crazy. Crazy. I be talking so much and not eating. We going on 13 minutes and I'm almost done with one box. Lord. Tastes good though. And they give me plenty of sauces. Happy about that. My favorite is the sweet and sour. Woo! But what's going on with y'all though? How has your day been going so far? I had to step out earlier, but I'm home already. Thank God. Because it's hot out there. I was going to change for this video. Get a little more comfortable because today is hot, y'all. Today is hot. I think it's 100 something again, or is it 90 something? Either way, it's hot. Okay? I was going to change. I said, nah, let me just wash my hands and get right into this video. And I was hungry. But yeah. Did what I had to do. Well, some of what I had to do. All right now. When I started this, I said, oh, this is going to be a piece of cake. And as I look at these boxes to my left, I'm now feeling a little bit nervous as to whether or not I can accomplish this very mission. But I don't like being defeated. I don't like losing. And I hate wasting food. So we gonna keep on keeping on. Okay? Whew. My word. But how have y'all been? Like, how has your day been going so far? Let me know. I also want to show y'all a couple things that I got from Anna's Linens. Come through, Anna's. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to eat these nuggets and then I'm going to show you. Because y'all going to be like, what? Because I was like, what? But happier than the mug. The Lord be blessing. You guys are thanking for the little things. The little things. So when those big things come, you're truly grateful. I'm thankful for it all, Lord. I'm thankful for it all. It may not come when you want it. I know y'all like, okay, she's just going to stop and preach. Sometimes you got to just give a joyful noise, no? Y'all feel me? Keep on keeping on. There's no such thing as like too much sauce when it comes to my nuggets, by the way. I love sauce. I don't like nothing dry. I don't like nothing dry. Challenges like these are best done with other people. I don't know. That's how I'm feeling right now. That was the chair. Yeah, challenges like these are best done with other people because y'all can go back and forth and converse about this and that. Ray. And just have that dialogue going. And just chilling with some peeps and just having some good time and enjoying that food. You know what I mean? Don't get me wrong, I enjoy eating food by myself, but on stuff like the challenges and whatnot, kind of cool to eat with other people. Kind of cool to do the group challenge thing. Is my AC on? I'm gonna have to check that. Hold on, y'all. I got to lower this AC, y'all. I'm really trying to understand what's going on with my AC, fam. I probably should have changed clothes. This right here is crucial. Yikes. Went into this challenge like, I got this. That ain't nothing. I got it. I could do it. Right now, I don't know, man. I don't know. Woo! So I'm going to New York in a couple weeks, y'all. To visit my my peeps, my fam. And I know that heat is going to be something ridiculous, but I mean, it's ridiculous here, so I could be okay. Especially when I'm inside in the AC. I could be all right. You can tell I'm getting tired, huh? You see how I prop that arm up? When you do that lean back? Man. It's wild. Since we're on the topic, I know I'm really covering some sensitive issues today, but the N-word. How do I feel about the N-word? Where it comes from? Horrible. But of course, it's a word that's used regularly in music and just everyday conversation, what have you. Have I used the N-word? Let me tell you something. I'll be dropping it. I'm going to be real with y'all. I myself dropped the word. Okay? This is how I feel about it, though. When you are black or African American, you can do that. Is it right? We really shouldn't be using that word. We shouldn't. And when you drop it in songs and whatnot, it makes others, especially those who are just trying to sing along and whatnot, feel very comfortable in using the word. My personal opinion, if you're not black, don't use that word. And don't use it around me. Yes, I'm offended. I will be offended. Yes, that's what I said. I don't care if you're another minority. If you are not black, don't drop the N-word. And do not drop it around me. I don't care how comfortable your friends are with it. Whew, I gotta come out this shirt. I don't care how comfortable your friends are with using it. With you using it, rather. I know some of them friends might call you the N-word. Trust me, I've heard it all. If you are not black or African American, do not use the N-word around me, please. And thank you. No, I don't want to go into explaining why you cannot. If you know it offends me, just don't do it. Period, point blank. I just don't. I don't. That's not something. Too much going on in the world, too much craziness. That already has me feeling like just down, and just sometimes you feel like there's nothing you can do. Now, but I dropped that word around me, getting comfortable and thinking that you could use the N-word. Nah, I don't care what other minority you are. Don't use that word. It's an ugly word. Yes, I said I've dropped it. But oftentimes, I'm going to just be real with you, yes. Blacks use it as a term of endearment towards one another. Could we use another word? Of course. Certain jokes, I feel like they are jokier. Yes, I said jokier. Bahamian term. Remember I said my friend is from the Bahamas. Uses it all the time. But certain jokes are funnier when you drop that word in there. However, it's only for blacks or African Americans to use. I strongly feel that way. I'm sorry. Actually, I'm not sorry. Yeah. I know that's random, but I was thinking again about the whole azalea thing. Whew, child. This was harder than I thought. I don't know. I'm parched as heck. My tongue feels dry. But I ain't gonna drink no water. Because I want to see if I can eat all of these. I want to see if I can eat all of these. Well, whew. Almost finished with my second box, y'all. Not that that's a big triumph, no, but yeah. Like sometimes it's just a lot of commotion and whatnot going on outside or above me. Whew. It was pretty quiet. I ain't gonna lie, the itis is setting in. You see how I just said the latter part? I just said the latter. That itis is setting in, fam. The sleepiness is really, it's hitting me hard. Okay, now I have a little bit of sauce and another box down. Woo! Child, my things gonna get easier. I don't know. What have I done? That death nut challenge, I do not think I'm ready for. I can't even sit here and pretend. I don't know if I'm ready for that death nut challenge. Oh, mercy. It's hot. What have I done? I don't know what I was thinking about this 50. I could be on a tube top on my next video. It's too darn hot. Whew. Like I said, I stepped out earlier. Put this on because it was like, oh, quick little thing I could toss on. It was in my closet. Boom, 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 hanging up. But I hot. Lord, Miss Sam, I don't want to stop and go change. I don't want to stop. I just want to keep going. Lord. Murder, She Wrote. Dang, I don't want to tap out. I think after this, after this one, this box, I can't do it. I surrender. I wave my flag, man. Tap out. Lord. Mr. William Clear Bowiet I had to just check myself out real quick. Yo. I wasn't ready. You see me here, you know when kids just start playing with their food? That's how you know they full. I've been dipping this nugget for how long, guys? Lord. I don't know. I'm gonna clean this little table again. This ain't no joke, fam. Egg, man. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Them last 2 boxes, I can eat them later. In a couple hours or something, fam. This ain't. I thought I could do it. I done counted them again. Lord. Yo. Dog, I hate not being able to finish something. Oh well. One more nugget and I'm done. What you're not gonna see me do is that death nut challenge. And I love spicy food. I love spicy food, but you're not gonna see me tear my stomach up like that and be on the toilet for 3 days straight. Taking away my little gains. That's what you're not gonna see me out here doing. Nope. I need to not be losing. And we all know when you on the toilet, nope. Mcnugget. Okay, I can't finish this box. I'm gonna just let y'all know right now. I can eat this last nugget. Five left in this box. I have 25 nuggets left. I ate 25. I will say this. This was a contest in which I was getting paid. I was probably gonna finish this box, but since that's not the case, I can't do it. I can't do it. Woo, child. Eyes bigger than your stomach, boy. Trying to keep up with the Joneses. Ain't that something? I didn't even know fresh nugget either. These look so deggy. Come on, McDonald's. Do a little bit better. Flick. Ask for 50, but have these things. Y'all. Yo. 25 left. I can't do it. I can't do it. I tap out. Never would have made it. Hallelujah. Never would have made it without you. I would have lost it all. That's how I feel. I was gonna sing that at the end of my 50 nuggets, but I can't do the 50 right now. So we're gonna end it now, but I thank y'all for tuning in. Please comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me know about the topics, how you feel about the topics that I've touched on today. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for listening to me vent, rant, and for all of your support, period. I really do appreciate it. I'm too darn full to show you the jeans that I have on, but they are the Wanna Better Butts that I always talk about, and I'm fitting them well again. Listen, it's not a game out here. It's not a game out here. Y'all gonna see me. Holla!